In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your screen timeout on Windows 10 or 11. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. To get started, go to Start menu and then choose the option called Settings. And from Settings, select System. Then from here, look for Power and Sleep, which is this. Click on it to open. Now here we can adjust the power and sleep time for screen and the PC. To adjust the sleep time for your screen, click on this down drop arrow and then choose the time or the minutes you want it to stay awake as you wish. So you can either reduce or increase this. And also for the PC, go ahead and choose either by increasing or reducing the time. So that's how you adjust the screen timeout on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.